Listen, where's Mama?
Ari, Mom here. I have something for you. Mommy has something for you. Can you come here? Hi, sweetheart. How are you? I have a baby. Hi. Can you say hi to Miss Lauren?
Let's go see.
No,
let's go see Mommy. Mommy's got baby Ashley. Look, in her arms.
Hi, Ari, do you remember?
In her arms.
Come see my baby. Come see my baby.
I'm not too sure about that other lady.
We've met.
Want me to lift her up?
We go with
Yeah. Can you come sit with Mama? How are you? I love you. Did you have fun with Grandpa? What do I have? Baby. Yes. Can you give her a sweet kiss? Mama. Yeah, you're good girl.
Can you give her another kiss?
Did you have fun with Grandpa? What'd you do? Big sister?
Sit down.
Come here. Come here.
Oh.
Come here. Baby. Yeah. I love you. Can you say hi to baby sister? Say hi, sister.
Look at how big
Say hi, Ashley. Did you bring a balloon, Ari?